In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the loop over items node in n8n. Start by opening your browser and logging into your n8n account. From the dashboard, click Create Workflow to start with a clean canvas. To make this easy to test on demand, add a trigger node like Manual Trigger by clicking the plus icon and selecting it. This lets you run the workflow anytime without waiting for external events. Next, we need some data to loop through. Click the plus icon again and add a node that can output multiple items, such as the set node. In the set node, add multiple fields or entries so the node produces more than one item. You can think of each item as a separate record that will be handled individually in the loop. Giving your nodes clear names can help you follow the flow during testing. Now add the loop over items node. Click the plus icon, search for loop over items, and drop it onto the canvas. Connect your data node, in this case the set node, to the loop over items node. This connection passes the list of items into the loop so n8n can process them one by one. After the loop over items node, add a node to process each item. You can use another set node for a simple transformation or an HTTP request node if you want to call an external service. Connect this processing node to the loop output of the loop over items node. The loop output sends items through one at a time, which is exactly what we want. Then, connect the output of your processing node back into the loop over items node to complete the loop. This tells n8n to continue with the next item until the list is finished. When all items are processed, use the done output on the loop over items node to attach any final step, such as a summary or cleanup action that should run only once at the end. When your connections are in place, click Execute Workflow to test the loop. Watch the execution data to see the path each item takes. You'll notice the processing node runs repeatedly, once per item, while anything connected to done runs a single time after everything else completes. Expand the node details to verify inputs, outputs, and that the data looks as expected. If everything works correctly, click Save to store your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.